Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, here we are at the $10,000 challenge for Splinterlands. This is my own personal challenge. This has nothing to do with Splinterlands. This is just something I'm doing my own, and I'm making a daily, when possible, video of the process for a whole year to see if I can reach $10,000 in asset value. So what I'm going to do today's a little bit different of a day because they just started a new season, and I thought it was 15 days, but this one's 13, so they might be different each season. And what happens is you start over pretty much on the rating, and then you get your rewards at the end of the season, which I'm going to open up here. And I've already done my daily quest, and then we got the pack opening. I'm going to do all those first, and then the rest of the video is me showing you the different ways I make money on this platform. And that way, if you've already seen all that and you just want to watch this stuff, that's what we're going to do. Real quick, here's the rules. 1 year from the 2nd of January. I report all outside investments. That's right here. Withdrawals I can pay down. You can use any number of ways to make money on the platform to reach a goal. Total value of all assets can be used to reach the goal. So I have a personal investment right now, 342. And as of today, my value is 815. When I started these videos, it was at 730. And these are the number of cards. These cards are less because I've sold some and then I've burnt some and combined them. And by doing that, it makes it more valuable, more powerful, and less in circulation. The PowerPoints, this is what you want to see going up every day. This means my collection's getting more powerful overall. 73,946. This is the free SPS they're giving out right now for another half a year. Every day they give out, depending on what this number is, silver Splinterlands shards. It's a crypto. If I was to cash out today, this is my total, 510. That's so not a bad start, and I still got 10 and a half months to go. So let's go ahead and open the. Now these chests, you win. You can get packs, credits, potions, or cards, and I got 9 up here. So there's a total of 10 today, but you usually get 1 a day for doing the quest. Let's open it, and we'll see what we got. Excuse me. Okay, I got 10 credits, so that goes up into there. And now let's claim the 9 chest up here. All right, I got 8, 9. Yep. Okay, let's do the first one. Credits. Oh, a card. Nice. Credits. Credits. Potion. That's going to help in the pack for today. Another potion. That's going to help in the pack for the day. Credits. Credits. And credit. Ooh, 29. Now, I've heard you can win a pretty high substantial amount, but most of the time it's low like this, but hey, I'll take it. So these potions will help with the pack opening here in a second. So let's go to that. And see, as of right now, I'm only getting 5. As I battle on during the week, that number will go up. So let's go to the store. And let me see. There's 7.6 million packs left. And 600,000, well, 601,000 till the next airdrop. The airdrop, I'll get whatever that is, and depending on the number of packs I got, I'll get a chance to win that card that many times. Like I won 2 on this one out of 32. So technically I could win 58 of these cards. And these are all legendaries. So that's pretty nice. So let's go back. That was a little sidetrack. So we'll go down here. You got to use credits to buy the pack. Now, I don't need to be buying the packs to do this, but a lot of people like to watch videos of people opening up packs. So I kind of added it on there. Plus, it does help me. It does add a little bit, but okay, so you see I got 2 potions up here. That's going to raise my percentage chance to get, and you can, like if I got 10, that's going to raise the level. But I'm going to go ahead and use them up. And we'll see what I get today. This one does gold, and that one's legendary. Okay, you get 5 cards. Guaranteed at least a rare in a pack. And those are commons, common. And then what I'll do is I'll take these cards and combine them, burn them, or sell them, or use them. And this is a rare. Okay, not a terribly exciting pack, but I'll take it. There we go. And that's that. Okay, so now the ways that I'm making money. All right, one is buying and selling, and it turns them into dark energy crystals. Now you can save these because these are worth, I think, 0.003 of a cent right now. And you can look them up on Crypto Gecko or Crypto Coin. But if you buy or sell, you get paid in DEC. If you battle, you get paid in DEC. If you're over, you got to be at least bronze 1, I believe, or bronze 3 to get any kind of DEC from that. Here's the proof. This is Peak Monsters through the marketplace. And as you can see here, this is the total value of my list prices, okay? 2,506, but I'm not going by that. I'm going by this because this is a total of all the prices that I just updated it. This is the price of all the prices that it last sold at. So that means I got a card that's for sale right now for I think it's $1,800. So let's go look. Now I pulled this card out of a pack back in January when I bought initial 25 packs. That's before I decided I was going to do this. And I'll show you the card, and I'll show you what's happening with this card. It's kind of confusing, so I don't know exactly what's going on with it. But it is a legendary gold, and that makes it valuable. So let's go to the legendaries and let's go to the gold. These are the ones I own. Here it is right here. And here's all the gold is its counterpart to the regular card. This is a legendary, this is legendary gold. But let's go look at it and I'll show you what I mean. Okay. They're for sale. This guy, there's only one person. There's 499 in circulation. Now, they're still opening up Chaos Legion packs. So once they're done, open them all up, then that number will start going down as people combine them and destroy them, if they do so at all. Because what you want to do is max it out. You need 4 of these cards to max it out. So at this price right now, you're talking that would take almost $7,000 to do that. But they're not even selling 4. They're only selling 1, $1,800. Now, it was priced at $100. People are posting it anywhere between $100 and $1,800. But as soon as they post them, they buy them up. And so this is the only guy that's willing to sell it right now. Now, you go to the regular card, and it's $4.19. And it takes 11 of these to max it out. Okay, so that's about $44, right? Now, here's what I mean why it's so confusing. market in the Chaos Legion packs, um, the gold is the most valuable gold card, and the regular legendary is the cheapest. So I don't know what that means. I don't know how that's possible. Um, and I'm freezing up here, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish this. Okay, there we go. So let's go look at the gold. Okay, and we're not going to do all of them. We're just going to do these are the old packs, and these are worth a lot of money, a lot of money. But there's 23 gold cards in the Chaos pack, and it's going for 18. That's the only one selling. Okay, in fact, here it's showing nobody's selling it. So I don't know what that means. There should be at least a one there, but anyway. So now let's go to the regular legendary, and it's the cheapest legendary, $4.19. You'd think this would be at the top, so I don't know what that means. Okay, so now, but anyway, so another way to make money is buying and selling. When you buy cards every day, they're being combined, they're being sold, they're being destroyed, which means here's the circulation for this card, 15,220. So this number, once they are all into circulation, the number will go down. It's the only way. It can never go the other direction. Okay. I think I explained that as best I could. Now here's my SPS. This is from the airdrop. It's at 0 because I'm staking it. So let's go back to there. And every day they drop this. And this is going up the more this number goes up right here. Okay, so I'm going to claim that. I do this every day at 11, but I saved it because of the season ending. And then I'm going to go down here and claim my staking rewards, which is down here. And that's going to add it all together, and then I'm going to stake it, which means I'll make a little bit more every day. So stake, and there we go. And that's all there is to it. Staking means you're just agreeing to not take it out for a couple weeks or whatever the rules are, and they give you, it's kind of like a bank interest. But check this out. This is the APR, 32% a year. Where can you get that kind of percentage? And if you go here, now here's another way to make money is rentals. I'm making 585 DEC a day just for my rentals. That means I get to keep my cards while they go up in value, but plus earn income on them, to renting them to other people around the world. And my rate of return right now is 128%. That's unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. Okay. So anyway, that's the reason for the difference in numbers. So I go by this is the number that they've all sold by. And I think that's a more realistic number, because if he was asking for 2 million, obviously my account's not worth 2 million, but it is worth this because that's what the last person sold it at. So that's really the only way you can figure out all that. But so there's about a dozen ways to make money on this, and I'm learning more every day. I still got to do the arena, and I still got to join a guild, and that's going to help me make even more money. And as far as the battle goes, I don't go into it because there's so many YouTubers talking about it. I'm more of, I just want to show how you can make money on the site. And another way is the affiliate program right here. So I get, if you sign up on the link below, then I get 5% of any purchases you make. And that's out of their pocket, not yours. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. But if you like what I'm showing you, then please join up under my link. That will help me out. But the affiliate program is another way you can earn on this game. But as far as the battling goes, what you're doing is you're taking your cards, and before each battle, they outline the rules. The rules change on every battle. What you can do, can't do, how much mana. There's a lot more to it than just that. So, but once you show up on the battlefield, the computer takes over. So all the strategy is in the way you combine your cards to be the most powerful, and hopefully it matches up good against the enemy's cards. And if so, you can usually end up with a victory and all that. But anyway, thank you for watching, and have